we are looking at how to pronounce this word and this expression. We're going to be looking at how to say more confusing vocabulary, including from slang terms as well. So stay tuned until the end of the video to learn more, but let's break down and get down to the pronunciation. Gyatt is how it's normally said, so you have two syllables that are smushed together. Gi, yes, it's a hard G, not G. Gyatt or Gyatt. Gyatt, indeed, Gyatt. It's easy, and now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.